Okay, we are going to take a start. The topic is window view, and my first question is, what scenery can you see from the window of your room?
It has a very beautiful scenic view, and the wall the wall was very beautiful.
The wall is.
The wall is very beautiful.
It's better to talk about the things which are outside the window.
Yeah.
Yes. So,
And my neighbors had a painting about a
how
last.
can you see the painting in the room of your neighbors from your window? Huh? You have the binocular eyes, right? Listen, I tell you. What scenery can you see from the window of your room? Well, from the window of my room, I can see some beautiful trees because there is a beautiful park right close to my house. So I can see some trees. Along with that, there are some electricity pylons. I can see them as well. And sometimes if someone is going from the street, I can see them as well. Simple. Okay. So just answer again. What scenery can you see from the window of your room? सीनरी भी कहाँ जाके देखी हम सायों के घर के अंदर पेंटिंग में उसके अंदर सीनरी है वाओ सो व्हाट सीनरी कैन यू सी फ्रॉम द विंडो ऑफ योर रूम
So that scenery was looking very beautiful. Therefore, I have to see that.
all right now but now please come back so
Okay.
what scenery can you see from the window of your room
Uh, I can see the right beside my neighbor's garden. It has very beautiful trees, and the birds were very beautiful, and it has a wooden tree also, and there was a lot of types of birds,
Okay.
parrots, and
so just focus the word scenery and focus and whatever you say just say from the window I can see this window looks at right just don't just say what you see outside, don't explain that, your reference should be from the window I can see. Let's go on. Do you like to watch the scenery from your window? Okay.
So first of all, the topic is very unusual.
I know it's quite unusual.
Could you please?
Sure, I tell you. Do you like to watch the scenery from your window? I love to watch the scenery from my window because especially in the morning, something like that. So carry on. Do you like to watch the scenery from your window?
Yes, I would love to like.
I would love to watch.
I would love to watch the scenery, especially at the sunset when the sun is setting, and sun rays are looking very beautiful.
Sun rays look beautiful.
Sun
You
rays-
mean Kiran?
Yes.
Okay.
And
We call Kiran, yeah? Kirne and Kiran, yeah?
yes, especially when the sun rays are lightning and lightning towards the park, and
Okay.
all the colors are glowing up.
All right. So you like sun rays very much, huh? Good. Let's go on. Do you want to live in a house with beautiful window view?
Yes, I would love to live in such type of house because the scenic view could be very amazing for our health and nervous system. The fresh air from the window could be come and right beside the neighbor's garden. That will be very helpful for us.
Excellent. How do you feel when you can't see any beautiful view from your window?
I feel very depressed, or you can say very tired. If you see a fresh view from window, then it will be very helpful helpful for your mental health as well, and your nervous system as well, and for your mental health it could be able to fresh your mind as well.
Good. This is awesome. Just organize your answers, improve your understanding of the questions, and then see how will I tackle each question. Don't just see what the real answer is. By the time I say, what scenery can you see from the window of your room? The window of my room shows only a wall, but imagination, so you should express yourself, right?
In this answer you could also be able to justify that you are living in a hilly area.
You can say that, exactly. You can say that my hometown is a hill station and there I see. Examiner will not say after the exam, chal bachche dikha ke la. They will not say that, okay? So
Yeah.
don't worry about it. Okay, good. Now let's ask him some questions. You can give him the mic as well. But your answers are good. Keep it up, okay? Thank you. Thank you. All right. So let's take a start. Is it easy for you to remember people's names?
It is not easy for me to remember people's name, but I try my level best to memorize.
Okay. So you can speak a little more. Like give reasons, because people have different names and some names are really difficult. So it's quite difficult for me to remember people's names, but I try my level best. Just 1 to 2 more, right? If you give this type of answers, examiner will be happy. At least there is some. Otherwise, examiners really feel bored. And usually the candidates are the type, what's your favorite color? Black. They don't talk. So candidates have to, examiners have to struggle with the candidates. And if you are the one, then you'll be like, the fresh air from the AC. Examiner will give you good band score for that, right? So just elaborate. And this elaboration doesn't mean you go beyond the topic. No, it's not that. Anyways, I'll ask you the same question again.
Okay.
Is it easy for you to remember people's names?
It is not easy for me to remember people's name because some people have
Some people have.
some people have difficult name, and I met different people in most of the time. So many people I made them. So it's very difficult for me, but I try my level best to memorize their name.
Okay, to learn their names. Memorize is not good word here. To learn their names, right? Okay, we have a popular person here, Mustansir Hussain Tarar. Yeah, Mustansir is like a difficult name and all that. Let's go on. How do you remember people's names?
When I met
Present. How do you remember? Do is past or future?
past.
Present. This is hello testing microphone check. Okay, so please answer from your own brain. So, how do you remember people's names?
When I meet stranger, I repeat their name twice in my head, so that their name, I learn their names, and I don't forget.
Okay, that's good. Let's go on. How do you feel when people don't remember your name?
When people, it's make me very unhappy.
It makes me very unhappy. It makes me
very unhappy because I feel that I have no importance for them.
And just a little more. आप एक sentence कम बोल रहे हैं.
Okay.
ठीक है? So just need to go on with that. Do you often forget people's names?
Yes, often.
I often forget people's names.
I often.
It's just like the first question.
Yes, I often forget people's name because it is very difficult for me to remember their name. But I try to learn their name. So
Okay, that's good. So थोड़ा सा repetition से बाहर आएं. Use a variety of sentences and answer in 4-5 sentences. Then it will be better. Good job. Thank you.